Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers. Cheap Mountain Park CDP. Local and long-distance movers. Near me. Our first goal is to keep you secure. We have a good rapport with the local and federal relocation authorities. We ensure that we follow all the applicable rules so that your moving experience is smooth. Also, we have insurance plans in place to protect you and your valuables if you hire our moving services. We have the most reliable, trustworthy, and dedicated team of movers you can engage to guarantee a successful relocation. They are committed to upholding the company's principles. We built our services on a foundation of affordability, credibility, and reliability. The company works within your budget to ensure that we don't overcharge you. Local moving services are more expensive than long-distance moving services. Our reasonable hourly prices start at $30 to $40. We are available to help you move your belongings to any part of Mountain Park. Our services are transparent, and we will lay out the steps and execute the move so you can settle in quickly. We are experts in navigating any complex or congested environment. We move around with ease and perfectly set you up at your new house. We carefully pack and unpack your things to guarantee that they don't get missing or damaged. Our trained and certified staff carries out these tasks. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Mountain Park CDP moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So, what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.